Hey guys, on this video, we're going to answer these questions from our community One Funnel Network. How do I connect my Facebook and Instagram to the Go High Level Social Planner? I can seems to find the settings. So that will be our questions for today. And if you're ready, let's begin. So the first thing is let's go to your Go High Level account. And once you are in the Go High Level, simply click Marketing, go to the social planner, and on the social planner kindly go to the settings section. So you will see here on the upper right corner. Once you are on the setting, you will see here social, then click connect social. On the connect social, you will see here the following social accounts: connect Facebook, Instagram, Google My Business, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, and Pinterest. And lastly is the Go High Level Connect community. So if you already created your community in the Go High Level, you can also schedule your posting over there. Now, the question is Facebook and Instagram. So it's very easy, it's very straightforward. You simply go to the Connect Social and click Connect Facebook. And let us say your previous login into Lead Connector. So you will see Lead Connector. So the Lead Connector is the app that will connect your Facebook account and your Go High Level account. And click this, click Continue, and you will see the following. So it's loading, and here you go. So you will see all the social media pages that is connected to your personal account, and just select the social media pages that you want to use, and just select the pages that you want to connect to this account. So to connect, simply just click add, and it automatically, so for example, I'm going to, okay, for example, Smart Property Solution, click add, and then that's it. You will see here the social Smart Property Solution. It says connected here. And if you want to disconnect, simply click the delete and confirm, and that's it. On this video, I'm going to show you on how to connect your Instagram. So to do that, simply connect social and select Instagram. On this video, or on this instruction, it says you need to select your Facebook page first and make sure that your Instagram is connected to your Facebook page. To do that, simply go to your social media. Simply go to your account. Let's go for this One Funnel. And then from here, go to the settings. And then just type on the search setting Instagram. Okay? And then click this one, and you will see here Instagram connected to UFind, right? So connected to users. So you will see here, if it's not connected, just click connect on social media, and that's how easy it is. All right, so it should be connected. So that's how you're going to connect your Facebook and your Instagram. So for this demonstration purposes, I already connected my Instagram to my Facebook page. It will ask me to connect again. Just refresh this. So you will see here previously logged in to connect Facebook. So it will check all your Instagram connected. So here you go. These are the Instagram connected to my personal account. So that's it. That's how easy. Just select add. So that's very straightforward. And that's how you're going to connect your Facebook and Instagram. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. See you in the next one.